Good morning, students. I am Riya Sinha, your SST teacher. Today we will continue our third chapter of civics, that is, why do we need a parliament? In the previous classes, I have told you all why about our constitution and why should people decide, why is there a representative kind of government, and what people and their representative do. What does the term parliament mean? Further, we have discussed works of state government and central governments. So now, today, we are going to discuss our new topic, the role of the parliament. See, created after 1947, the Indian Parliament is an expression of the faith that the people of India have in principles of democracy. These are the participation by people in the decision-making process and government by consent. The Parliament in our system has immense powers because it is the representative of the people. Our Indian Parliament is created after 1947, which is an expression of the faith that the people of India have in principles of democracy. These participation are by the people in the decision-making process and government by consent. So, the parliament in our system has immense power because it is the representative of the people. Elections to the parliament are held in a similar manner as they are for the state legislature. The Lok Sabha is usually elected once every 5 years. The country is divided into numerous constituencies. You all have to try to understand these things properly, that the parliament in our system has immense power because it is a representative of the people only. Elections used to held regularly. For the Lok Sabha, elections is usually held after every 5 years. For the convenience of the people, the whole country is divided into numerous constituencies, and each of these constituencies elects one person to the parliament. The candidates who contest elections usually belong to different political parties. See page number 35. Some of the national parties and some state parties are given here. It is a result of the 16th Lok Sabha election. See political parties and number of MPs. Bharatiya Janata Party, which is our national party and right now ruling party. 282 MPs, means 282 member of parliament are there who belongs to BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. Second is Communist Party of India. Only one MP is there who belongs to this party. Third is Communist Party of India. Marxist. 9 member of parliaments are there who belong to Communist Party of India, Marxist. Indian National Congress, which is opposition party. Right now, Bharatiya Janata Party is ruling one and the Indian National Congress is opposition, whose number of MPs are 44. Nationalist Congress Party, whose number of MPs are 6. See, names of some of the regional or state parties are also given here. Aam Aadmi Party, number of MPs are 4. No need to learn right now these number of MPs. You just have to learn at least 5 names of 5 national parties and names of 5 state parties. A lot of names are given here. You can learn whosoever you want. Okay, now I am going to continue it. See, once elected, these candidates, these members of parliament become, when they get elected, they become member of parliament. These MPs together make up the parliament. Once election to the parliament have taken place, the parliament needs to perform the following functions. Now we have to understand what are the functions of parliament. So first function of parliament is to select the national government. National government को select करना, to select the national government. Okay. Parliament of India consists of the President, the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. After the Lok Sabha elections, a list is prepared showing how many MPs belong to each political party. For a political party to form the government, they must have a majority of elected MPs. Since there are 543 elected and plus 2 Anglo-Indian nominated members in Lok Sabha, to have a majority, a party should have at least half the number, that is half of 543 and plus 2 545, that is 272 members or more. So the opposition in parliament is formed by all the political parties that oppose the majority party or coalition formed. So the largest among these parties is called the opposition party. Like right now, our ruling party is BJP and opposition is Indian National Congress. So one of the most important functions of the Lok Sabha is to select the executive. The executive, as we have already read, is a group of persons who work together to implement the laws made by the parliament. This executive is often what we have in mind when we use the term government. The term executive is used for those people who used to implement the laws made by the legislature or the parliament. The Prime Minister of India is the leader of the ruling party in the Lok Sabha. Our Prime Minister is the leader of our ruling party, that is BJP. From the MPs who belong to her party, the Prime Minister selects minister to work with her to implement decisions. These ministers then take charge of different areas of government functioning like health, education, finance, railways, HRD, etc. Means different kinds of cabinets or different departments are there in which government used to divide their function. Oftentimes in the recent past, it has been difficult for a single political party to get the majority that is required to form the government. They then join together with different political parties who are interested in similar concerns to form what is known as coalition government. Now understand this term, try to understand it. Coalition government. When two or more political party join together and form government, then it is termed as coalition government. So the Rajya Sabha. Till now we have discussed about Lok Sabha only. The Rajya Sabha functions primarily as the representative of the states of India in the parliament. The Rajya Sabha can also initiate legislation, and a bill is required to pass through the Rajya Sabha in order to become a law. Like Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha is also part of our parliament. Without its consent, no bill can become a law except money bill. It therefore has an important role of reviewing and altering the laws initiated by the Lok Sabha. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected members of the legislative assemblies of various states. There are 233 elected members plus 12 members nominated by the President. Now, I hope you all understood the chapter well. Till now, whatever topics we have discussed, I hope you all are able to answer from whatever question which will come from here. In the next class, we will continue this chapter. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.